I'm Charlene Stevens, City Administrator for the City of Cottage Grove. Joining me today for Council Update is Councilmember Dave Thiede. Today we're going to be talking about a couple ordinance changes that we made on liquor control and a food truck ordinance. So Councilmember Thiede, we've kind of modernized and updated a couple of ordinances, and really actually put an ordinance in place that we really didn't have before.
Right, and I love this subject because it's pretty much kind of the beef and beer type of subject, and I kind of resemble that. But but at any rate, so what we're doing is we really didn't have anything that really kind of defined things for breweries or distilleries,
tap rooms,
and food trucks, and in most of the breweries and that you see, there's regulations and so forth. So they have the food trucks outside and so forth because they can't serve food inside, and so I think it was a great idea. We kind of dug into that a little bit and said, well, what do we need to do to make some changes to actually allow like a brewery or a brew pub or allow companies to come in and do those kind of things. So I think it's pretty similar to the others, but
I mean, they're allowed by state statute, and we didn't really have anything in place, and they're kind of popular now to both have, as you mentioned. Brew pubs and tap rooms sometimes don't want to actually serve food, or they don't want to get into the food business, and so they can kind of partner with a food truck, and we didn't have anything in place that would really let that happen in Cottage Grove. And so even though we don't necessarily have an applicant before us, we wanted to be proactive and kind of going with our positioning for growth, showing that we're open for business, put the ordinances in place to make it easy for somebody to come forward with that.
So I would say that if there's anybody out there that wants to start up a microbrewery, just hop to it, because we're ready for you now.
All right. Well, these ordinances both kind of work and give different opportunities for new businesses, and we're excited about that. And so if you have any questions about these ordinances, or as Councilmember Thiede mentioned, you might be interested in that kind of a business, please contact Senior Planner John Burbank. Thank you, Councilmember Thiede.
You bet.